Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jory and I create crochet and fashion content to keep you looking stylish while keeping it cute and crafty. So if you're into that, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos after this one. Today we're talking about something every handmade garment owner needs to know: how to care for your handmade clothes so you can keep them looking fabulous for the years to come. Whether you're snagging a beautiful piece from a local artisan or it's something you made yourself, proper care is key. Handmade clothes are something special, and sometimes they need a little extra TLC to stay in top shape. And okay, I'll admit it, I've been that person who's too scared to wear a handmade piece out because I'm terrified of messing it up when it's time to wash it. But don't worry, taking care of your pieces doesn't have to be a chore, it just requires a little thought. Step 1. Always read the care instructions. This is your first line of defense. Whether it's from the yarn label or the instructions from your artisan, these will give you the inside scoop on how to treat your clothes. Most handmade garments are made from natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, linen, and each fabric has its own set of needs. Heck, even acrylic. So make sure you understand symbols like washing temperature, drying method, and ironing instructions. And if you're unsure, Google is your best friend. Step 2. Washing your handmade clothes. It's all about washing with care. Some fabrics, especially delicate fibers like wool, may need a little more love and a gentler touch than your regular laundry load. If you're hand washing, use lukewarm water and a gentle detergent. Stay away from harsh chemicals like bleach, as they can destroy your precious fibers. For machine washing, always use a mesh laundry bag to keep your delicate items safe from friction that can cause pilling or snags. And if you're feeling really lazy, I get it. Just toss them in a laundry bag and pop them in on the gentlest cycle. Works like a charm. Now when it comes to drying, air drying is the safest bet. Always dry flat to maintain your garment shape. But hey, if you're as lazy as me, you can always use your dryer on the lowest heat setting. Just be sure to check on them every now and then to prevent wrinkles. And if needed, take them out before they're fully dry and let them finish air drying. Step 3. Storing your handmade clothes. If you're not rocking your handmade piece right now, you better be storing it properly. For clothes that hang like dresses and cardigans, use padded or wooden hangers to help keep their shape. Avoid wire hangers. They stretch fabric and nobody wants that.
No wire hangers!
For heavier pieces like knitwear, fold them to avoid stretching. And if you're storing seasonal items like sweaters or scarves, toss a mothball or a natural moth repellent into your storage container to keep those little critters from eating away at your hard work. Moths don't like acrylic or polyester, but trust me, they'll love your linen shawl that took 40 hours to make. Step 4. Dealing with wrinkles. It happens, right? Handmade garments, especially linen and cotton, tend to wrinkle. No worries though, a quick press with a steam iron will do the trick. Always adjust the heat settings for the fabric that you're working with. And if you're unsure, start low and then work your way up so you don't burn your precious creations. If you don't own a steamer, you can try hanging your garment in the bathroom with you as you take a nice hot shower. Finally, let's talk about protecting your clothes from the elements. Whether it's handmade or store-bought, never store your clothes in direct sunlight. It fades the fabric. So store your clothes away from sunlight to prevent fading. And if you're traveling, use a garment bag to protect them from dust, dirt, and snagging. And please, for the love of crochet, stay away from Velcro. That stuff always gets caught on my clothes. It's a magnet for disaster.
Ain't nobody got time for that!
So whether you're caring for a gorgeous handmade dress, a cozy wool sweater, or a delicate silk blouse, remember these simple steps. Read the care instructions, wash gently, and store properly. With a little extra effort, you'll keep your handmade clothes looking fresh for years to come. My future daughter will be rocking this stuff in 40 years, if she's lucky. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If these tips were helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crochet and fashion content, and drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates and behind the scene footage on my latest crochet projects. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Happy wearing!